How's it going, everyone? In this video, we're going to do a Dock Dine boat ride and take you to the Lighthouse Restaurant located in Fort Myers in the Punta Rassa area. We're going to show you how to get there, and we're going to show you what the inside of the restaurant looks like. Thanks for watching, everyone. Cheers. How's it going, everybody? Ryan and Crystal here on Crystal Blue, and today we're going to do a Dock Dine at the Lighthouse Restaurant and Bar.
We are. Lighthouse Restaurant and Bar is open 7 days a week, 11 a.m. to 10 p.m.
Killer happy hour?
Sounds like they have a killer happy hour on Google. It says their happy hour is from 11 to 7 or something like that. I'm like, that's a long happy hour.
So we're going to go check it out.
Yeah.
It's a little bit of a hidden gem. If you're driving there by a car, it's on the way to the Sandball Bridges in Punta Rassa. It's before Punta Rassa if you're driving, but there's a little canal system back there that takes you back to Connie Mac Island, which is a little neighborhood area behind Punta Rassa. So we've never been there. We've been there a long time ago for one drink, but we've never eaten there. So
and then this one, I feel like it's a little more upscale than what we're used to. So I feel like we're going to be a little underdressed, but we'll see once we get there what the vibes like.
We're used to the saltier places, but we're going to check it out for you guys and show you what it's all about.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Just another morning, leaving Matanzas Bay. Next stop, Lighthouse Restaurant and Bar.
Starving.
I think we're always starving. Screw's got a nice setup here.
Fishing poles, the birds are watching them fish. Cottage Point, beautiful.
Nice little sandbar day for them. So we're just putzing along here, heading to the restaurant, so I thought I'd tell you all a story. I had a crisis yesterday. Ryan says I have at least one crisis a day.
Multiple crises a day.
So if you follow us enough, I wear this hat pretty much every time we're on the boat. It's a no shoes, Kenny Chesney no shoes reef hat. Just like one of my favorite hats. You know, everybody has their favorite hat. So it blew off my head yesterday on the way back from North Captiva. We turned around, we kept looking for it, couldn't find it. I thought it was gone, it was lost. So like, not only did I lose my favorite hat, but if you know me, I don't like to litter, and now I put something in the water. So
it was a double crisis.
It was a double crisis. I was crushed. But somehow we gave up on it, and then
we circled around like twice.
Yeah. And we gave up on it, and then as we're driving forward, it was floating forward in front of us.
It was in front of where I turned around. So I don't know how it got there, but we got it.
Yeah, and I can't find any No Shoes Reefs apparel anywhere online, like I've looked.
No Shoes Nation, yes.
Yeah.
No Shoes Reefs?
No. So Kenny, if you're a big fan of ours, and if you're watching, I need another backup No Shoes Reefs hat, please. So over here is a little beach area that you take your car on right before you get to the causeway. And before Hurricane Ian, there was more trees, more shade. You know, you didn't see the cars or the road as much. But this little slice of sand we called Castaway Beach. And this is actually where Ryan and I had our second date, on this little piece of sand. And before we had a boat, we would come out here a lot on the weekends and just do our beach days here.
And spot.
It's a good time. I mean, it wasn't the most pretty place, but
it was secluded. You could drive your truck right on, like the Jeep, right onto the beach.
Yeah. This is the Cape Coral ferry that you board it from the Weston.
I believe it's the Weston.
Tarpon Point Marina, and they will take you to Fort Myers Beach, and you can enjoy Snug Harbor. Got the best captain ever.
I tried.
Here is the Punta Rassa boat ramp. I think they're starting to rebuild it. It's supposed to be ready sometime in August was the last update I saw.
Looks pretty close.
Yeah.
What's the name of that again?
Punta Rassa.
Punta Rassa?
I never said Punta Rassa. This is the Sanibel Lighthouse Resort. Again, not on Sanibel, but it's right before the Sanibel Bridge.
It's a Marriott, right?
I don't even know. I did a massage continuing education class right there. That was pretty. It's a nice view.
Looks like they're kind of rebuilding their docks.
Yeah.
So it could be a dock and dine in the future.
If they ever rebuild their docks, we'll do a dock and dine video there for you guys.
So here's how you get back into the Lighthouse Restaurant. The channel to get back there is just north of the Sanibel Bridge, the A-span, which is the big bridge. And there's no signs or anything, but you'll see some markers over to the right if you're coming from the south. It's a well-marked channel. It does a little bit of a kind of a little twist and turn in the very beginning, and then it goes straight and then kind of dog legs to the left, and then that takes you into the Connie Mack Island area, which is that neighborhood of houses. And then at the very end is Port Sanibel and the Lighthouse Restaurant. And this area is called Punta Rassa Cove, and it was a beautiful boat ride back in the mangroves. So I believe this is the start of Connie Mack Island, which is a little neighborhood back behind Punta Rassa.
A little manatee back there.
And there was a manatee back there. Crystal got really excited.
Nice houses.
Very nice houses.
Houses are gorgeous back here.
Oh, straight ahead of
It's like your dock, you have to walk through the mangroves to get to your dock.
I love that.
Gorgeous, I'm glad they kept it.
It's illegal to cut them down.
Yeah. Well, they want to chop down mangroves to build condos in Cape Coral.
I think it's very true. Come on, Cape.
Do better. Look at that one. It'd be like a mosquito infestation there. Wildlife never gets old to me here. People say they know tourists because they squeal over dolphins and manatees, but I've been here since I was 2 years old and I still squeal over dolphins and manatees. So the marina they have here. We had a boat just pass by and say he watches us sometimes. And I'm like, well, why not all the time? But thank you for watching anyways. We appreciate it.
All right, that's it right in front of us.
Yep, here it is. The Lighthouse Restaurant and Bar. Lighthouse Restaurant and Bar. Still in Fort Myers, right before you cross the Causeway Bridge to head into Sanibel. So it's very limited docking here. as always, highly suggest you get here early. This is the only dock for boats to come and enjoy the restaurant. So get here fast, get here early. They have a little store I'm gonna check out here. It's called Coastal Outfitters. So beautiful and peaceful here.
Ready to go eat at the lighthouse?
Definitely ready.
Let's go do it.
I think I'm gonna have a espresso martini.
Ooh.
It's beautiful. I thought it was like darker.
That was like more like old wood, bamboo stuff.
It's really pretty.
It's gorgeous.
Oh, I'm just trying.
The one trend where it's actually.
Sorry.
Cheers.
Like it went so fast, I smacked the guy in the face with my hair. And I felt it, and I turned around, I was like, I'm so sorry. You just flying, laughing, thought it was the funniest thing in the world, and then forgot. But
Let's fix that. When we said 11 to 7, it's really 11 to 5.
Oh well.
We got the Philly cheesesteak. And what did you get? The Cuban?
Cuban.
Can't go wrong with a Cuban sandwich. Bathroom review. This is a beautiful bathroom here at the Lighthouse Restaurant and Bar.
This was our first time back into the Port Sanibel and Lighthouse Restaurant area, and honestly, it was a beautiful, beautiful area. It was more than what we expected, honestly. The Marina was fantastic. There are 2 gift shops down there. There's the Coastal Outfitters, which you'll see here in a little bit, and then the Port Sanibel Marina ship store, which also had some boating supplies and some merch as well. I don't see a whole lot of people talking about the Lighthouse Restaurant as a big time dock and dine location for the boaters of Southwest Florida. But definitely add it onto the list. It's a little bit of a hidden gem back there in the Punta Rassa area. We absolutely loved the food. It was delicious, and the scenery back there was fantastic. So if you're out there in the Sanibel area looking for a dock and dine spot, definitely check out the Lighthouse Restaurant. I think you'll like it. And here's a look inside the Coastal Outfitter store. Lots of great stuff, kind of high-end Tommy Bahama type stuff, but very nice island apparel.
So we just had a lovely lunch at the Lighthouse Restaurant and Bar.
Right back there.
It is very classy feeling in there, but as day trippers on a boat, I think it's still acceptable. It was okay. There's a couple others in there in like boat shirts. So
there's probably docking for, I'd say maybe 4 or 5 boats our size. So we're not, salty and sweaty, but sun shirts and whatever. And it was okay. We sat at the bar and it was fine.
Right, and it's definitely upscale. Sandwiches are still basic. Average price is $16 for a sandwich or anything like that. But then, they definitely have pricier menu items as well. But they have a cute little boutique called Coastal Outfitters.
Coastal Outfitters.
And Ryan's mom's birthday is coming up, and it's the big 70. So we got her a cute little scarf.
We got her a little scarf. Happy birthday, Mom.
Happy birthday, Mom.
Heading back to the boat. Crystal did some shopping, and so did Ryan.
We met, of course, another Chiefs fan. Can't get away from the Chiefs fans here.
There are Chiefs fans everywhere, and it's amazing. All right, time to board Crystal Blue and head back home.
Head back home.
Little Sunday Dock and Dine.
I thought we were gonna go sandbaring.
We're going home.
Alright guys, thanks for joining us on this week's Dock and Dine at the Lighthouse Bar and Restaurant. It was definitely more than we bargained for, what we thought we were going to see. Like they have a ship store that has really good apparel and stuff to buy, and then they have the outfitters place that, you know.
Yeah, the whole Port Sanibel area, honestly, I don't think we had a clue on what that was all about. And a very nice marina, very nice people, good restaurant.
Yeah.
It was a nice little Sunday.
Sure was. And like we met people like the woman who's working at the ship store. Apparently she met us once before on North Captiva, and she's a Chiefs fan.
She's a Chiefs fan. Sorry, everybody.
Then the outfitter store woman, she's actually a client of mine. So again, if you need massages here in Southwest Florida,
she's your girl.
Revita Touch Therapeutic Massage. Happy to help you guys out.
Thanks for jumping on Crystal Blue with us, everybody, and we will see you next time.
Next week.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Thanks for watching, everyone. We really appreciate it. If you love boating around Southwest Florida, hit that subscribe button. We would really appreciate it. And check out CaribbeanCastaways.com. We have some boating guides, maps, and merch there for you. Thanks again, everyone. Hopefully we'll see you out on the water soon. Cheers.